Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the muscles of the lower limb. Musculi membri inferioris. My kind request, please don't care about my handwriting. Okay, fine. Let's jump into our topic. Musculus membri inferioris is divided into two parts. As usual, the muscles of the hip joint and the muscles of the free lower limb. The muscle of the hip joint is divided into two, the internal group and the external group. And while discussing about the free lower limb, there are three parts, the thigh, leg, and the foot. In the thigh, there is anterior, posterior, and the medial. And in the leg, there is lateral, anterior, and the posterior. In the posterior, there is superficial and deep. In the foot, there is two parts, namely the dorsal surface and the plantar surface. In the plantar surface, there we can find three muscle parts: the muscles of the eminence of the greater toe, the muscles of the eminence of the lesser toe, and the muscle of the medial eminence. And let's discuss about the regions right now. There are basically five regions. The first region is regio gluteus, and the second region is regio femoris. As in the name, you can see the region related to the gluteal muscle is the regio gluteus, and the region related to the femur bone os femoris is the regio femoris, and there we can find the anterior and the posterior surfaces, and the regio genus is divided is all by anterior and the posterior as usual, and the regio cruris is divided into anterior and the posterior. Genus means the kneecap, and the cruris mean the leg side, and regio pedis mean our foot area. So in the regio pedis there is the dorsum pedis, the plantar pedis, and the regio calcaneae. And the regio calcaneae, as you see in the name, the calcaneus bone is related to it. So the regio calcaneae is the region of the calcaneus bone, mean the posterior side of the regio pedis. If you have doubts in this anterior, posterior, and those anatomical terms, you can watch my previous video, and I'll give the link in the description. That's all for the day. This is the introduction of the muscles of the lower limb. And let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.